guys, it's Gina and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night wherever you are. And in this Halloween video we are doing, can you guess? Can you tell? Can you tell what I am? Straw hat, flannel. We are a scarecrow. Now I had a lot of fun making this. I think this took longer than doing Pennywise. So if you want to see how I got this look, then you should keep on watching. Alright, so we are first going to start by priming our eyes, and we're just going to be using our Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is the concealer we're going to be using all over our face, and today we're going to be doing our eyes first because it will make life so much easier. We're taking our beauty blender and just blending it up. We're going to go in with C1 from the Anastasia Norvina Collection 1 palette, and we are just going to set our eyes with this shade. So now we're going to be going in with E3, which is right here, and this is going to be our main crease shade, this like mustardy yellow. And we're literally going to be building up this color. This is honestly the perfect crease shade for this look. And then we're going to be taking another brush with nothing on it and just blending the edges. And blending it so that it looks good. Okay, now that that is nice and blended, we're going to be going with, this is E2, this shade, and we're going to be going in with a different brush. Now this is a beautiful orange. And we're going to be plopping that right on top of the crease, but like a little bit below, so you can still see that mustardy yellow. Now I know this looks crazy because I literally don't have any eyeshadow on, but I mean like regular makeup on, but it will work. Okay, so we are now going to blend this so that looks nice and pretty. Then we're going back in with E3 and we're going right back on top. And then we're not going to blend that because I like how that color is. We're going to go back in with E2. And we are just going to dab it in and do some little windshield wiper motions to pick that pigment back up. And then we're just taking this brush and we are going to see where the two shades meet. So this is what it's looking like right now. We are going to cut our crease a little bit. And so I'm going to need some concealer. We're not going to go all the way to the outside. And then we are going to go in with the shade Leo right on top of it. This is in the Kathleen Lights and ColourPop Zodiac palette. And we're keeping it tacky so that it goes on nice. Do not mind my voice. I know I'm losing it. I don't know why I'm losing it, but... And then we're taking that brush that we blended with and we are going to blend in the edges so it's not so harsh. And while we have the tape on, we're going to be doing our eyeliner. Just because this is the way that I want to do it today. Don't always do it this way, but today is a good day to do it this way. So I'm going to do this eye on camera and then this eye off camera. Okay, so now we are going in with our Fasali Liquid Radiance drops, or liquid glass. I will keep saying that thing wrong until the end of time, probably. We're only putting a little bit in our hand. And I gotta get this hair out of my face, and we're just going to rub it on in. I really like how this eye look turned out. Don't mind if you hear any like noises or anything, because there's a house being built next to mine and the workers are outside, literally right outside my room. Like on the outside, so you can probably hear them out throughout the whole video, so it's gonna be fine and great. All right, so now we are going in with our primer. This is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. You guys know that I love this stuff. It's literally the best primer we've used in a long time, because it's like hydrating but also keeps your foundation on all the time and grips it. And don't mind this breakout I have right here. It's like really annoying. We're gonna let it get a little tackier. We are now going to be going in with the Sheer Glow Foundation by NARS in the shade Stromboli. And we're literally just going to be applying that with our finger. Taking the end of the Beauty Blender and just blending it in. One thing I never understood was how people were able to do their eyebrows before foundation. I never could, ever. Now that we are done with that, we're gonna be taking our concealer. We are taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium Honey. And we're just only gonna be applying a little bit. That was way more than a little bit. It's fine. And we are going to just blend it out. We are now going in with our Jeffree Star setting powder, if I can untwist it. All right, we got it, and then we are going to be setting our face with this. We just inhaled it. Oh my God. Taking our bigger brush and then applying this all over. And then you can't forget about the neck. All right, and the next thing we're gonna be doing is bronzing, but we are also going to contour. We're going in with this contour shade first and just letting it like go right at our cheeks right here. That way they look a little bit like sunken in kind of deal. Like you see how it gives the illusion that they're like in a little bit. That's what we want. And we're going to take this and blend it. And now we're going to be going in with our bronzing shade in here and just lightly going over top of it. And then brushing whatever excess we have on top. And then of course we're going to be taking some and applying it to the bottom of our chin in the chin area. And then I'm also going to be applying it where it looks like it's a little too white on me with my concealer. So we're just bronzing the face back up. Taking our big brush and just blending it all out like so. We are now going to be using some blush. So we are going to be using Captivating by Tarte. This is this color. It is the closest to like a peachy orange that I could find. And we're literally just focusing that though right in the center on the apples of the cheeks, and that's it. We're not blending it out. We are literally just keeping it right here. Just gonna make it a little bit pronounced so that it looks like we have nice rosy cheeks like scarecrows do. Or at least cute scarecrows. We are though going to like dab at it with our blending brush, just right in the center. We are now going to be doing our highlighter. So we are first going to be going in with Peach Goddess by Jeffree Star. We're gonna get a decent amount of this on. And we're going to apply it right here, as you can see how blinding that is. We're then going to be going in with the Northern Lights palette. and going in with the shade Anchorage. Same brush. And we're going to be applying that on top. We're going to be taking this brush and blending it out. We are now going to finish our lower lash line. So we are first, if I can open this, going to go with the shade E3 like we did before. We're going to do the exact same thing on the top lid as we did on the bottom, as close to as possible. Alright, then I'm going to go in with E3 and get that like closer to the lash line. And then we are going to blend that. We're then taking our Clinique eyeliner and we are just applying it to the waterline. We are now going to do our eyelashes. We're just curling these bad boys. We are going in with the BFF ColourPop mascara in black on black. Like so. We are then going in with our bottom lashes is the El Maquillage mascara. And we're also going to be putting some of this on the top. We are now going to be going onto our eyebrows. We are going to brush them out. We are using the Brow Contour Pro by Benefit. We're going to go in with the light shade. And we're going to see how this looks applied all over. It works because I can work with this shape that I have. I'm just gonna blend it forward and take this. Alright, since I had to do this, we are now going in with our Dip Brow Gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Medium Brown, and we are going to set the brows. Alright, now this is how the brows are looking. Now moving on to the like makeup portion. So of course I have my little handy dandy little thing. I don't know what you want to call it. So we are gonna go to do the orange first on the nose. And of course we're going in with our Wet n Wild paint palette. I just stuck my hand in the red. And we are going in with the orange, and we're gonna make our little teardrop looking thing on our nose. So let's do this. Now we have to deepen this up a little bit. Like this, and we're gonna make it come to a little bit more of a point. Like this. Actually, first, before I use the black, I am going to do the little freckles all over my face with these two shades. This is also from a Wet n Wild palette. So we're just making freckles all over the face. And we're gonna put some on our nose as well. I know I already have actual freckles. We're adding fake ones. Now we're gonna go in with that darker brown, because not all freckles are the same color, and we're going to add some darker ones. And what we are gonna do is we're gonna take our fingers and press on them so that it diffuses the color a little bit. See, by how me doing this, it like takes away like the big colors above them. We also need to add a little bit over here. Now I could have just used a super sheer foundation and just had my actual freckles come through, but we didn't do that, so. Now we're gonna be going in with the black from Wet n Wild. All these paints are very nice. I would highly recommend them. I really like them. All right, so let's get to outlining this nose. I'm actually a little nervous. So we outlined it. That wasn't as bad as we thought. So we are now going to add some little black lines underneath our eyes. Like this. They're a little like uneven and weird looking because it's not supposed to look like even. Now we are going to do our lipstick and then we can do our lips. So I'm actually going to be taking my lips off, and my lips, you know what I mean. And we are going in with this Ciate London Glitter Flip High, it's a holographic thing because I don't have Jeffree Star's black liquid lipstick or I'd be using that. So let's pray that this works. All right, so we have the black on our lips, and it's kind of a glittery glitter shift thing. We're now going to be taking that black and we're going to be making a line and some X's. Oh, this is nerve-wracking. I don't know if we should do it in like a smiling manner. All right, so fixed it up a little bit. Now I gotta make the X's. So we're now gonna add little dashes on our nose. Like this. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a really fun look to do. I really enjoyed it. I can't wait for you guys to see it, even though you already saw this because you're watching this as the outro. It's fine, we're fine, everything's fine. If you like it, give this video a big thumbs up. Click the notification bell so you know every time that I upload a video. And hit that subscribe button and join the fam if you want to. I mean, you should. You're here already, might as well just click that subscribe button. You know what I mean? I will see you guys on Wednesday for our next Halloween look. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.